Hey!
What's up?
I asked Ayelet why we're in the sun, and she told me this is the most beautiful spot. And
Yeah,
I'm
because
like,
look at the light. Look at the
it's
light.
hot.
Look at
Hot.
this.
I can't look.
We wanted to give you an update about
Where
we've
we
been
are
in the last
standing.
where are we standing and everything about our music and about all the things that have been happening.
So first
Of all,
thank
we
you
are monetized.
guys because
It couldn't happen without you.
yes,
And we're so happy and grateful about all the support support from you to us. Really, we are not taking it.
as a granted.
I feel like it gives me a lot of energy to
Yeah.
do stuff.
Me
Seriously. And now that we got the monetized, we're so happy. And finally, because we had a bit difficulties regards to money and to make the music that we really
Together,
wanted
we are
to
spending a
make.
lot of money because of the music now.
Yeah. So
And we
now
really
it
want.
gives us a really good push
Yeah.
and energy to make more videos and to continue what we're doing. So thank you very much. And if you're here, just put like
And subscribe us.
to our music traveling vlog.
And of course, we want you to spread our music video
The
trauma.
first song that we did,
Yeah,
it's something that really
from our heart, and we really want to spread it. And it's like, it's really mean a lot to us. Okay, this was the first notice. What is the second?
Thank you. The second one is that we recorded our second song and we are shocked that we are even there. But with hard work, you know.
Yes, and you know we are also like meeting a lot of beautiful souls on our way. They want to people that want really to support us. They are helping us with the music, helping us with the video clip, helping us with a lot of stuff.
Yeah, now
Just,
we are trying
you know,
to,
from their kind heart. And what did you want to say?
that we are trying now to make our video clip for the second song that we recorded. Now it's on the mixing. So we are thinking about what we want in the video clip and how it will look like, and we're doing it in Jamaica. So of course you will be with us for all the process that we're
Yes.
and we're really excited about it. It's something so new for us.
Yeah.
And also there is a thing that you cannot register as an artist if you don't have 50,000 views on YouTube
Yeah.
or 1,000 views on Spotify. But we haven't done that yet, and that's the reason we haven't uploaded our song to all the
Music and Spotify and all of that.
and we haven't done also the
Marketing.
marketing for the song. So all the views, it's like really a raw view that
Yeah.
from you
Where,
and
how much?
from
It's 2,500?
Yeah, 2,900 views.
900.
Yeah, and thank you for that because everything it's you and your push for this.
Yeah.
So now we are really trying to promote this song because we think that it's amazing song. That we
And we
love
are not
and
biased. We
Yeah.
are not biased.
No, but I really love this song.
Of course.
So now our plan is basically to do 4 songs till we're leaving Jamaica, and then we will
Like in total.
yeah, total. And then we will publish the song. In the end, it will be an album.
Yeah.
But we really want to register as an artist and to
And
just
to continue
push
to do that
and do
yeah.
that and video clips, and this is our big. And
So-
the first time that Bar, because the first song it was only me and Bar was a bit in the end of the song, and now the second song is Bar also singing with me. She has a verse, and it will be.
I was
I'm ready
afraid
to do the
I
video
w-
clip.
Yeah. I was afraid
Sing.
to sing actually. Because I have a lot of criticism on myself and voice and what. But it's really
embarrassing.
Fun.
I feel like it's so bare.
Like it's more
open
naked
your-
than to be naked.
Yeah, to open your. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I'm blocking myself also when someone is watching when I'm singing
Yeah.
because it's embarrassing, and then you don't want to show all what you have. I don't know if have you ever felt it, someone who is singing here in the crowd, but
It's also like when I'm there, I can when we were in the practicing voice, I don't know how to call it.
Voice development.
The voice development.
We did it before
I
we came
felt
to Jamaica.
she said to me like, you are
Blocking.
holding yourself, you're blocking, and I feel this like in my throat and or in my heart, and she's saying to me, put all your energy, put it out. And then when I did it, I heard different voice, like something. It's the voice is coming from here, from the core, not from the throat. And it's a different experience, and
True.
like I don't know, I don't know how to explain it. I'm hearing myself, and I'm like, oh my god, it's all boy. Oh my god, this is my voice. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And then I'm saying to myself, like, accept yourself. It's your words. It's what you want to say to the world. It's like there is no right or wrong or beautiful or not. That's what I believe in everything, in every
And I feel
creation.
like also you become better and better
In everything
only if
you
you're
are doing.
trying, only
Yeah.
if you're really doing that, you know, and give it.
You remember at first that we every video we did an inspiration
Yeah.
quote. Maybe now we
We
need
did like
to
a
go
lesson.
back.
A lesson.
Yeah, this is the lesson.
Every video you got a lesson from us that you need to work because
So
Mara
maybe
is a
this is the
coacher. Mara, I
lesson.
don't know if you remember all of
Yeah.
you, but she's a coacher for people.
Yeah.
So every day I'm learning from her something new. So maybe we should do it also here.
Maybe now this is the thing, like the thing that you are practicing, you get better. It's
Yeah,
like
every day
the
you
thing-
become better. And just try.
Yeah.
Just do it. Just put it into work. Just
It's
reveal all your
Too
colors.
important message, just reveal of you. Continue with your day. What?
No, seriously, just do, because if you will not do, if you will just stop yourself only because of afraid of the criticism of the other side, or
It's not the other side, it's you.
or yourself,
That's what I'm understanding.
You need
Like,
to
everything is in me.
learn how to
Today Coco Boy told me, "Bah, I want to thank you," and I felt embarrassed because also I understand that I have difficulties to get compliments and just be there and say to thank you. And then he said to me, "Thank you," and then I told him for what. So he told me every time that I think that the answer is outside or I'm blaming the outside, you remind me to look inside. And I feel that it's like this is my way, and I learned it, and it's difficult to do that, like to go inside when you are. Sometimes you just want to blame. It's like easy, and for me, this thing like the criticism, I'm thinking to myself, wow, people will say, but it's not people, it's me. I'm listening to that, and that's what I'm thinking in my head. So I need to change it.
I feel like even if you put yourself in a closed room, it's happened to me.
Yeah.
And I'm sitting in a closed room. I'm like, maybe someone here, maybe that, maybe it's not good. No, but it's not really
that.
the people.
It's me and how I look at this and how I accept myself in this. So for me, it's really good. I like this book. It's like it's make me develop in myself, be closer to myself, love myself. It's not that. Yeah, we check. It's not that easy for me to just love myself, but it's supposed to be, and we need to start from this. And I think that also this path also make me love Ayelet more and understand when I'm criticize her or not accept her. In a lot of ways, it's happened to me, and I think it's happened to everyone. And now I can be more aware because we are 24/7 with each other. So we had also deep conversation about that when we met Coco Girl in the same day, about her, that she grew up, and me, and
because
our
we
relationship.
Are sisters, we have the same wounds kind of from the past because we grew up
in the same kind of environment.
Yeah, so sometimes when you're with someone you grew up with or someone that had the same path that you had, so it's like you have clashes.
Yeah.
And you have
the same one.
The same things, and then when you sit on the other person, you
don't like it.
You don't like it.
You criticize
but you have it also, and then
it's so psychological. Like when you don't like someone, you don't like something that someone does, you need to. That's what I'm saying. Like search inside what you do, the same thing that you do in yourself that you don't like.
And we wrote a song about it.
Yeah, and then to accept it. So yeah, this is our message
for today. We got a lot of messages from you that we need to see Coco Girl.
Yeah.
Coco Girl, Coco Girl, you're the same, you're the same. No, no, no.
Yeah. Same energy, same energy. So we wanted to see what you're saying. Like,
And we met her.
yeah, yesterday, 2 days ago.
Yeah, it was really nice. She's
Yeah.
so cute.
We made kalalu in the nature.
Yeah, it was really. And there's so why you said that we have like similar energies and shy
Regards
also.
to fire,
Coco
you
boy.
know. We met her
Yeah.
in Portland. In the day that we supposed to leave Portland, she came to Portland. So then we left a bit not early, like we planned, in order to meet her and to see like who is she, and then
Because
she,
we met her 1 month ago, actually, 1.5 months
in
ago.
Starbucks.
Yeah, in Starbucks before her luggage arrived, and
Yeah,
she was
before
a
she
bit
was
like confused
messy.
because she just got to Jamaica, and we met like for like 1 hour. We spoke, not something long, and we said we have to do a chapter together.
Yeah.
And then she said that she's coming to Portland, so we said that we have to wait for her.
Yes, and then she said that she has really amazing idea to make food in the nature, like Drizzy.
We laughed that she's really a
So we went to the market and we bought some groceries and we made food. We actually found a guy there, like someone that really live in the nature. So we make fire for us, and he was really kind. Actually, I really liked him.
yeah.
And because it was
He didn't try to hit with us.
yeah,
on
it was
us
only
or-
by his good heart.
Yeah. And
Like-
it was so nice. I really
Yeah.
love this situation. I feel like in Jamaica it's rare. We are not getting it a lot. This feeling that someone is coming
Just want
to be friend.
enjoy. Yeah.
I feel like the only reason that's what I felt. Yeah, here they want to speak with me is only to eat on me. And if I'm saying, for example, I have a boyfriend, so it's like, no matter, bye.
Yeah. And that's it.
So it's a bit sad because
Or they are saying, is it Jamaican? Is it Jamaican? That's what they are
if
saying.
he's
to
not
me, like, if
Jamaican,
it's
you
not
know,
Jamaican,
it's
you
not
can,
count.
you
It doesn't
can,
count.
it's not as a, you can have a Jamaican boyfriend, you know, you can, I don't know why they are doing that. Like in Israel,
It's
boyfriend
the opposite.
is a wall, you know, but okay.
But also the fact of friends, like you have boys friends and everything is okay. We found someone in Portland that he started to speak about it. No way his girlfriend will have
Yeah.
a boy.
Yeah, it was
and
weird.
yeah, this was weird one, but we understand it's a lot of people think like that. But in Israel, it's not
So
a situation. Like we have boys that they are like our brothers and we're friends. And so in Israel, it's really the opposite regards to we changed. It's really the
Because
opposite regards
hand is,
to. It hurts, you know.
Hurting, yeah.
We are new, right? Yeah. It's hurt, you know. We are new in this. It's not something that we're.
Someone said to us like that the vlog, the second vlog was better regards to shaking hand, and I really laughed on Ayelet after we published the first one that it's like make me headache. Sorry that I'm saying that, but we want your mercy and we will learn, you know, and
Also,
we'll be better.
yeah, it's our new thing, and we don't have GoPro. GoPro, it's easier like to maintain
Yeah.
than what we have, and it's still difficult.
Because we don't have money to buy a GoPro.
Yeah,
It's just
soon, and with the
monetization. Yeah,
So what I wanted to say,
that in Israel.
the difference between Jamaica and Israel in regards to that is I feel like in Jamaica the friends is not something so common compared to
Yeah,
like
like female and
friends.
male.
it has to be or sexual or
I don't know
bi.
nothing.
And for us it's the opposite. Like I have
And
so
sometimes
many
it's like
men.
develop from there. Like you are friends, and then the love can come.
You can see us
after.
with Shy, with Coco Boy. It's literally
The love is
friendship.
not coming after.
Ah, yeah. No, but with Shy, it's like it's literally only friendship.
Yeah,
and
it is.
because we're Israeli and because we know that this is how we are in Israel, that we can have a boy and a girl and everything will be okay. And
That's it.
That's it. It
And we are
doesn't,
talking about that also, like why we are not
Together,
to each other
yeah.
or stuff like that. It's like
Not everyone can
open.
be.
Yeah, yeah, because you have different energy with people. Like sometimes it's shy, for example, we told you that is the energy of my brother, so we cannot really be with him as a lover,
partner.
as a
Yeah,
partner.
it's
Like I
different.
cannot think about him like that. So for me, this is the energy, and I get a lot because it's like energy of family. I miss my brother a lot, and I haven't seen him for a while, like 4 months.
Yeah.
It's a lot. So for me, when I saw Shy, I'm like, oh my god, it's like I'm with my brother now. So it makes me feel also like I pissed on him, like
The
with my
same.
bride.
Also,
I
he
want
said
to.
that we are making him a lot of triggers.
Yeah.
Because,
So
because
it's
we are so.
this
we
is the
grew up
energy.
same. We
This
grew
is
up
the
same.
energy. It's funny, but this. So we talked about it.
So
And-
people, if you find a girl that you can be good friends, but you see her, as a couple, it's okay to be friends.
And
Sometimes
also
friendship is stronger than.
And also
Sexual
the other side,
thing.
like if you see a girl and you see she look nice, you don't have to eat with her like
Yeah.
you're sexy. No, you can be so more gentle, like get
Why
to know her.
today we walked on the
Oh
street,
yeah,
and someone came from the trees. Like we are walking, and from the trees here, he just was like sexy, and Var jumped and shouted on him because she was like, "You're not doing
I
it like
didn't, I
that."
didn't shout on him. I shout like I was really scared.
It's girls are traumatized. Okay, they got to so many. I don't know what whispering on the street that it's scary, and if someone hits me
It's
like that, I'm
from
jumping.
the bushes.
Yeah,
like
from
who
the
are you?
bushes.
What is that?
Yo, we jumped and we're like, yo, dude, no, not like that. You
Yo,
can
my
come
heart
on the
was
street,
beat.
but not like that, hiding and sneaking. So we just wanted to finish the story that we started. We have a thing to open
Yeah, side
conversations
conversation.
inside. That we met Coco Girl and we went to the river as she said. We found a beautiful place that me and Ba, we've been there before, and we cooked.
And it was
the river,
tasty,
and it
we
was really nice.
brought to
and
people also
good
to eat.
vibe. And we said that we'll meet again, of course, when she will come to Kingston or
in Portland again.
yeah, we will see. We want to meet her again.
Yeah, it was a lovely day.
Sisterhood.
Yeah, it was
How
lovely
she
day.
call it? Sisterhood.
Thank you for listening to us
And
and
support us for
yeah.
all the way. 3 months already,
yes,
and it's so exciting.
it is.
And smash the like button.
Yes, like
And subscribe. We love you.
thank you.
You.